Hi students, what we learned in the last class? Gulliver's Travels lesson, right? Okay, today we are moving to vocabulary junction. In this vocabulary junction, we are going to learn one new grammar. What is the grammar? Let me see. Okay, find this words here. What is the difference in these words? Untie, unable. See here, what is the difference here? Yes, see and disbelief. See this. Okay, this is a word. This is a letter, a group of letter or a letter which comes before the word. Okay, tie is a word. If we add un, a group of letter, means it is the what? Prefix. Okay. See in the blue box, page number 47. A prefix is a letter or a group of letter added before a word, change its meaning. Okay, which means opposite. Okay, if tie means we are tying something. If untie means it's just opposite that we are untied, right? And also able means I am able to do this. Okay. If unable means I didn't able to do this. Okay. Just the opposite. Okay. Next one. See in the blue box. Prefix such as un, in, miss, un, in, miss. Okay. Next ir, ill, and learn. These group of words are prefix. Okay, are added to the words to create their opposites. Okay, now I am giving one word. You want to find the prefix. Prefix means already I told a letter means one letter. One letter or group of letter can come before the word. The word is given correct. Before the word we want to give one letter or group of letter. It is prefix. Okay. Okay, what letter we can select here? Correct, incorrect, correct, no, incorrect. Yes. What is the answer will come? Incorrect. Okay, like this. See all the examples. Uncover, disagree, dislike, mismatch, misplace, undo, untrue. For opposite word, see, mismatch. Match means it will match. Mismatch means it is not. And for that each word the meaning also given. See, match means, mismatch means we are doesn't match. We are not able to match. Misplace. Misplace means that is the wrong place. Okay. Next, coming to the next place, next page. Incomplete, invisible. If complete means we are able to complete. Incomplete means it is not completed. Okay, next one, visible. We are able to visible. We are able to see. Invisible means we are not able to see, right? Okay, next, irreparable, irregular, illegal, illiterate. Come and join with me. Displace, disorder, nonsense, non-stop, impatient, impossible. Okay, it is very easy. Already we know about the prefix, right? Okay, now we are moving to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct options given in the brackets. First one, you should not dash your elders. Which one will come? Obey, disobey, unobey. Which is the answer? Disobey. Disobey is the opposite for obey. Okay, which is the answer? Disobey. And second one, Zarina could not go out to play because her homework was dash. We often we can use this word in our classroom. Yes, who are all dash complete? Yes, all the teachers will ask, right? Who are all dash complete your homework? What? Incomplete. Yes, incomplete means it is not completed. So which is the answer? Yes, incomplete. And next, third one, the magician made the birds dash, misappear, disappear, unappear. Yes, appear means it can, we are able to see. Disappear means we are not able to see. It suddenly went off, right? So, which is the answer? Disappear. And fourth one, it is dash to eat so many chocolates. Possible is the word here. What we can add as the prefix, which will come? Impossible. Possible opposite word is impossible. Okay. Next one. Could you help me? Dash. Lock. Lock is the word here. What word will come here? Unlock. For every game, in the game we can play like this, right? Unlock means it will open, right? Okay, next. This is your homework. Third one, see, look at the words given below. Make sentences with any 5 of them and their opposites. Okay, I will give you the word, the prefix. Okay, obey means what we can say? Disobey. D-I-S, obey. Okay. Appear, disappear. Understand? What will come here? Yes, misunderstand. Misunderstand. Okay. Possible, impossible. Repairable, irreparable. Which will come? Irreparable. Match, mismatch. Interesting. Which will come? Uninteresting. Happy, unhappy. Okay. For 5 words, you want to find write a word. Okay. This is prefix. When we add a letter, where in front of the word means it is prefix. Okay, next thing is we are going to learn suffix. We are going to learn suffix. What is mean by suffix? For a word, after the word, if we add a group of letters or a letter, after the word means it is a prefix. For example, see here, edit. Okay, if I add or, a group of words. Okay, editor. Where I have added it? After the word. It is before the word, it is after the word. That is the difference between two. For each we are going to add a letter or group of letter. Okay, ma? After the word. See here in the blue box, page number 49. Gulliver was a sailor. Here the suffix or. Here I give example editor. Here they give sailor. Okay, ma? Or. See, or, which means one who goes sailing. We use the suffixes er. Or. What are the words? Or. Er. And IAN. Okay, ma? IAN. Or, ER, IAN. For prefix, un, in, mis, il, non. For suffix, or, IN. Okay? To form words that mean one who does an action. For this we are learning, it is just the opposite to the word. We are using the prefix to opposite of the word. Okay? For suffix we are learning what? Yes, if I am, take me as an example, okay? I am teaching, I am doing one action, right? Teaching, so I am a teacher. Teach is a word, ER is added. See, ER, okay? ER is added, so it is a suffix teacher. Like this, here suffix is referring the action. One who does an action, okay? It refers the action. See, come on to the example, photograph. Photograph, okay? Who can take the photograph? He is the photographer. Next one, edit. Who is doing the editing work is the editor. Next, wait. One who is waiting for your command, he is the waiter. Okay? See, librarian, historian, comedian. Okay, now this is your homework. It is very easy homework. Underline the suffixes. One I can do for you. Inventor. Okay, this is the suffix word. One who can invent, he is the inventor. Okay, which is the suffix word? Yes, or. You want to underline or. Like this, you want to finish this exercise. Next, we are moving to the phonic junction. Phonic junction. What are the letters are pronounced as silent? That letter we are going to see in this class. Okay. For example, L, U, and T. These three letters we are going to learn today. Okay. See here, the Gulliver walked. Walked. See, walked. Okay, how we can pronounce this word? Walked. We do not pronounce L as specific. Walked. We not say walked. Yes, it is wrong pronunciation. How we can to pronounce it? Walked. So L is here silent. And now the Lilliputians build. See here, build. Built. Here what letter is silent? Pronounce built. U is silent. See, U is silent. We are not saying built. Yes, U means that sound will only come na. So U is silent here. Next one, the king always listened to Gulliver's advice. See, listened. What letter is silent here? Zen. Okay, listen. Zen. S-E-N only we are pronouncing. Not we are pronouncing the T. Okay, like this we can read these words. Come, join, walk, come, bomb, half, could. All the L are silent here. And next one, next box, biscuit. U is silent. Guitar, guest, guess, guide. Okay. Next, T silent. Ballad, cuzzle, fasten, whistle, often. Right. Okay. Now, second one, page number 51. Now read these sentences and underline the silent letters. We want to underline the silent letter. First one, she was trying to guess the answer. See, what word is silent here? What letter is silent here? Guess. U is silent. So underline the U. Next, second one. We ate half of the cake. What letter is silent here in half? Yes, L. L is silent. In third one, add water to soften the mud. Which word is silent here? Which letter is silent? Soften. See, T. Next, fourth one. You should take an umbrella if you are going out. So, which is the word here? Should. What word is silent here? What letter is silent here? L. Next, fifth one. Pronounce. Pronounce and get the answer. Okay. She whistled away happily as she rode her bicycle. See, in the whistle. In the whistle, we are not pronouncing T, right? And bicycle. What letter is silent here? L. Okay? L. L is silent. Next, sixth one. Ravina has gone to visit her folks. See, folks. Which is silent here? L is silent. Next, seventh one. The man was found guilty. Guilty. Which is the silent word? U. Okay. Next, last one. We went to see a wrestling match yesterday. See wrestling. Wrestling match. Match. Here we are pronouncing match. Okay, next here wrestling. T. Okay, now we are moving to the next topic, grammar junction. Now we are moving to the topic grammar junction. When they were sailing, a violent storm destroyed their ship. Their. See here what the word is here? Their. Okay. Here the word their is a pronoun. Yes, we can say pronoun. What we can say pronoun? First we can say the name. Again we are using the pronoun. Yes, me. Me is a pronoun. Okay, like this second time we are using the denoting the same person means it is a pronoun. Pronoun used as an adjective. This there is used as a pronoun and used as an adjective. It is a possessive adjective. So if the pronoun is used as an adjective means it is a possessive adjective. A possessive adjective is used to show ownership. Ownership means it is mine. Like that ownership. Okay, so say the ownership. It comes before a sentence in a before noun in a sentence. It comes before the noun. Before the noun, this will come in a sentence. Okay. Now, however, the word theirs is a possessive pronoun. There is a possessive adjective, but if theirs means it is a possessive pronoun. It is possessive adjective. Okay. Possessive adjective. Theirs means it is possessive pronoun. While it is also shows ownership, a possessive pronoun can be used in the place of a noun to avoid repeating the noun in a sentence. Already I told, first we can use the name, second we can use the pronoun. It is the possessive pronoun. Okay? It can say the ownership, it can say the ownership and also the place of a noun to avoid repeating again and again. We not use the same word, we can use the pronoun here. Okay, it comes after a noun in a sentence. It also that comes before a noun. It comes before after the noun. Okay, my favorite color. For example, we can see my favorite color is blue. Blue is adjective. So my is a possessive adjective here because there is adjective. See. My favorite color is blue. It is an adjective. Okay. So here my is a possessive adjective. If there is adjective means the sentence changes into possessive adjective. In the first blue box we learn, right? The word there is an pronoun and is used as an adjective, so it is a possessive adjective. Like this only this sentence. Okay. Next, this book is mine. It is a possessive pronoun. It shows the ownership and also plays a noun. Avoid telling, repeating. Okay. So it is mine. This is my book and this is mine. Okay. This is also mine. Mine word is used here. Mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Okay. Next one, pronouns used to show possession. Pronouns are used as his, her, its, ours and theirs. Okay, these are possessive adjectives. Possessive pronoun. Okay. See here, my, your, his, her, it, their are pronouns that are used as adjectives. These words are possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Okay. Next one, my, your, his, her, its, their, our. These are possessive adjective. Okay. Now let me move to the exercise. Underline the possessive pronouns and circle the possessive adjectives. We want to underline the possessive pronoun and circle the adjectives, possessive adjectives. Okay. First one, Ritu's mother baked a cake on her birthday. What is the pronoun here? Her. Where is the her? Yes, it is in possessive adjective. For possessive adjective, what we want to do? Circle. So, circle her. In the first one, circle the her. And second one, he broke his arm. What is the pronoun used here? His. His what pronoun? Possessive pronoun or possessive adjective? Yes, where is his? Yes, adjective. So we want to circle his. And now third one. I am hungry. My stomach was grumbling. What is the pronoun here? My. What is where it is used? Adjective. So we want to circle. And fourth one. The dog is mine. It is his favorite color. So, mine. First word, mine. Mines come under possessive pronoun. See, mine, his, hers, its, all comes under possessive pronoun. For possessive pronoun, we want to underline. Okay. Next one, what are the pronoun here? Is. See, his, where is his? And his. His is an possessive adjective, so we want to circle. Okay. Now, next one. Choose the correct possessive adjectives given in brackets and fill in the blanks. Enid Blyton is dash favorite author. Her or she, which will come? Her. Yes, first one, her. Her favorite author. Okay. She favorite author, we will not say. Okay, next one. Pooja loves to play hide and seek in dash house. We house or our house? Our house. Next, third one. That is dash dog. That is I dog. I dog means noun. Yes, my dog. Which is the answer? My dog. Next, fourth one. Is this dash you or your bag? Which will come? Yes, your bag. Is this your bag? Like that only we can ask. Okay, next one. Okay, now rewrite these sentences using possessive pronouns. Okay, well, see here, that is my bag. Here we want to use the possessive pronoun. How we can change this sentence? That bag is mine. We use the word mine. Okay. Okay. Now this word, this sentence. These are my car keys. How we can change into possessive pronoun? Or my will not come. Yes. These car keys are mine. How we can change the word? Change the sentence. These car keys are mine. Next one. This is her brown cat. How we can change? Is her will not come. This brown cat is hers. Hers. Okay. Now it is her ring. How we can change this sentence? This ring is hers. This ring is hers. Next, is this your pen? Is this your pen? How we can change the sentence? Is this pen yours? Is this pen yours? Okay, next, this is his dog. How we can change? His will not come. This dog is his. Okay? Okay, now I give the homework. Yes, in suffix we want to underline the word. We learned today prefix, suffix, and also the silent letters of L, U, T, and also possessive adjective and possessive noun, pronoun. Okay, I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you, students.